So let's now have a look at what crude oil is. Crude oil is an organic liquid substance often found below the Earth's surface or the subsurface, and it's a mixture of hydrocarbons, which can range from almost solid to the gaseous form. So as the term hydrocarbon suggests, it's made up of hydrogen atoms and carbon atoms. What we find is that the carbons form this backbone, and the hydrogen atoms are attached to the carbon atoms to form what's known as a hydrocarbon chain. Now, crude oil can be categorized by the size of the hydrocarbon molecules. For example, light oil containing lighter hydrocarbons flow easily through wells and pipelines, and when they're refined, they produce a large quantity of transportation fuels such as petrol, diesel, and jet fuel. Heavy oil, on the other hand, contain heavier hydrocarbons, and this requires additional pumping or diluting to be able to flow this oil through wells and pipelines. And after refining, this is typically used as heating oil, and a smaller amount is used for transportation fuels. We know that crude oil is a complex mixture of hydrocarbons, but it also has a small proportion of impurities such as sulfur, nitrogen, and oxygen, as well as heavy metal atoms. Now, it's true to say that crude oil from different parts of the world, or even different depths in the very same oil field, have different chemical compositions, very different compositions. This is why it can vary from this sort of light colored volatile liquid all the way through to this very dark, thick black oil, so viscous that it becomes very difficult to pump from the subsurface.